Hello everyone, I'm Ana, Spanish55 brand ambassador, and I've compiled essential hacks to help you master vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and more. Let's get right to it. First, let's supercharge your vocabulary. Here's a fantastic exercise that can help you enhance your vocabulary in any language. Take a look around and try to identify and name everything you see in Spanish. If you come across something you don't know, jot it down in your native language and look up its meaning later. I recommend doing this daily and you'll be amazed at the results you'll achieve. Besides, you can create visual flashcards to review all the new words you have learned. In Spanish, the vowels play a crucial role because they maintain consistent sounds, unlike some other languages. Please repeat after me and practice until you've committed them to memory. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Actually, in the last video, we covered the pronunciation of vowels in Spanish. You can find it in the description below. Additionally, to sound more natural in Spanish, I recommend listening to and singing Spanish songs or engaging in activities like repeating phrases from podcasts or videos. By the way, if you feel you need help with your pronunciation, it may be beneficial to work one-on-one with a Spanish coach. Head over to Spanish55.com for a free consultation. Hack number 3. Grammar doesn't have to be a nightmare. Let's simplify it together. In Spanish, verbs change their ending AR, ER, or IR to match the subject of the sentence, whether it's in the first person, second person, or third person. For example, the verb hablar conjugates differently for each subject, like this. Yo hablo, tú hablas, él, ella o usted habla, nosotros hablamos, ellos, ellas, ustedes hablan. Of course, we have a video about Spanish present tense conjugation. Don't forget to take a look. You'll find it in the description below. Certainly, it's important to consider the tense, which indicates the timing of an action, such as the present, the future, or the past. And the mood, which reflects the speaker's attitude toward an action. Common Spanish moods include the indicative, used for statements or facts, the subjunctive, used for desires, doubts, or hypothetical situations, and of course, the imperative, used for giving commands. Now, let's talk about your speaking and listening practice. Improving your listening and speaking skills in Spanish requires consistent practice and exposure to the language. Here are some tips to help you enhance your abilities. Hire a tutor. Find a tutor who can assist you practicing and provide valuable feedback. Watch movies, series, the news, short videos. We all have a favorite movie. I challenge you to watch it again, but this time in Spanish. Please let me know in the comment section what movie you're watching next. Listen to Spanish music or podcasts. Incorporate this into your routine to stay connected with the language. Additionally, use language learning apps for daily review. Remember, consistent effort and exposure will contribute to your communication skills. By the way, if you're like me and you like drama, my colleague shared a video about the top 5 dramatic Netflix series to learn Spanish.
Número 4. La Casa de las Flores, the House of Flowers. So if you like Mexican telenovelas, Manolo Caro's dark comedy is right up your alley. You're gonna love it.
Esta es mi casa. La florería es el pilar de la familia.
Don't forget to take a look. And finally, please be patient and set a realistic goal. It doesn't matter if you have a little time as long as you are consistent, because let me tell you something, speaking a new language is not a sprint, it's a marathon. I hope this video motivates you to continue learning and improving your Spanish. I'll see you in the next video. Adios!